Lily's bedroom was usually so neat, but today it looked like a toy tornado had visited. Toys were everywhere on the floor.
My room looks a little messy, but I am sure it is fine. Toys like to lie on the floor sometimes too.
Lily! Oh my goodness, what happened in here? I nearly fell over your toy car. This room looks like a toy explosion.
Lily, what a mess!
Mummy, I did not make a mess. I made a toy city.
A toy city?
Look, that is the toy school. That is the toy supermarket. That pile is the toy mountain.
Oh, I see now.
A toy city? Interesting. So tell me, Lily, what part of the city is this sock? Is this the toy laundry truck driving by?
Yes, exactly. That is the laundry truck. It got lost in the toy city. It needs to find its way home to the laundry basket.
Lily, you are very funny. But Mummy needs your room to be clean before dinner. Can the toy city take a little break today?
Cleaning up is so much work. My arms feel so tired already. Look, they are too tired to even pick up one toy. Your room looks like my toy box exploded. This is amazing. How did you make such a big mess so fast? It is not a mess, Ethan. It is a toy city. See that pile? That is the toy mountain. Want to come climb it with me? A toy mountain? I love mountains. Let us climb it together. Watch out, Toy City. Here come the giant footsteps. Lily!
Ethan! Ethan! Now there are 2 tornadoes in here. This room needs to be cleaned up before it becomes an actual mountain.
Sorry. I did not mean to make it bigger. Look, I am helping already. I picked up this one block. See? I am being helpful.
I have an idea. What if cleaning up was actually a game? Whoever puts the most toys away the fastest gets to choose tonight's story.
Lily, we have a game to play tonight.
A game! I love games, and I really want to choose tonight's story. Okay, I am ready. Let us start right now.
All right, let's begin.
Okay, when the timer starts, put toys in their baskets as fast as you can. Ready? Set, go!
Go, go, go! Dolls in the doll basket. 1, 2, 3 dolls all at once. I am so fast, nobody can stop me. I am fast too. Look at my block tower. Do not drop them, do not drop them. Almost there. Phew, made it. Oh no. Okay, pick them up again. This time I will carry them one at a time. Ethan, your tower looked like it was dancing before it fell. That was so funny. Okay, back to cleaning. Go, go. Wait, not you, Mr. Snuggles. You go back on the shelf nicely. You are too special to just toss around.
I see you took extra care with Mr. Snuggles. That is very sweet, Lily. Some toys are special and deserve gentle hands.
The room was getting cleaner every second. Toys were finding their homes again. The toy city was turning back into a bedroom.
Let's clean fast. I'll get these bears. All done. Last toy! Last toy! I am going to get it first. Oh, we both got it at the same time. Funny. Wow, look at this room. It does not look like a toy city anymore. It looks like my actual bedroom again.
This is incredible! You both cleaned the whole room in just 2 minutes. That was the fastest cleanup I have ever seen.
I feel happy now. My room looks so nice. And cleaning up was actually fun when it was a race. That was not so bad.
You both worked so hard you can both pick a story tonight. 2 stories instead of 1. Great job, my little cleaning champions.